10 things every woman needs to thrive. The things no one tells you that you need to become the woman you were created to be. There comes a time in every woman's life when she realizes something painful. She has been giving everything to everyone: time, her energy, her love, her body, her money, her patience, and somehow she has become the one person she keeps postponing. She is the mother who keeps going even when she's exhausted. The wife who smiles even when her heart is heavy. The daughter who is expected to be strong. The career woman trying to prove that she is capable. The woman building a dream while quietly wondering if she is running out of time. And sometimes she looks in the mirror and asks, when did I become so tired? Not physically tired alone, but tired in her soul. Tired of being misunderstood. Tired of carrying responsibilities no one sees. Tired of always being the strong one. Tired of being needed by everyone, but rarely feeling truly cared for. But listen to me carefully. You were not created merely to survive your life. You were created to live, to grow, to heal, to love, to dream, to build, and to thrive. And today, I want to share with you 10 things every woman needs to thrive. Not just to look successful on the outside, but to become whole on the inside. 1. Every woman needs a relationship with God before you are someone's wife, before you are someone's brother, before you are someone's daughter, employee, boss, or friend. You are a woman with a soul, and your soul needs God. Because there are battles you cannot explain to people. There are nights when you can be surrounded by people and still feel completely alone. There are questions Google cannot answer. There are wounds money cannot heal. There are moments when even the people you love cannot understand what is happening inside you. And that is why you need a place where you can go and say, God, I don't have the words. But you know, your relationship with God should not only exist when you are in trouble. Build it before the storm. Pray when you are grateful. Pray when you are confused. Pray when you are angry. Pray when you are afraid. Because a woman who knows where her strength comes from does not have to pretend to be strong every day. Sometimes she can simply say, Lord, carry me today. And that is not weakness. That is wisdom. 2. Every woman needs to know how many women spend years trying to convince people that they are worthy of love. They tolerate disrespect because they are afraid of being alone. They accept crumbs because they remember when they had nothing. They keep shrinking themselves so someone else can feel comfortable. They apologize for having needs. They feel guilty for wanting more. But hear this. You do not have to become less valuable simply because someone failed to recognize your value. Your worth is not determined by your relationship status, not by your bank account, not by your age, not by how many children you have, not by your past mistakes, not by the number of people who chose you. You are not valuable because someone selected you. You are valuable because you exist. 3. Every woman needs emotional healing. Some women are not angry. They are hurt. Some are not difficult. They are afraid. Some are not cold. They have been disappointed too many times. Some women are not too independent. They simply learned early that nobody was coming to save them. And because they never healed, they carry yesterday's pain into today's relationships. A new person says something innocent, but it touches an old wound. A new opportunity comes, but fear reminds her of the last time she failed. Someone loves her, but she cannot receive it because she is waiting for the love to disappear. This is why healing matters. You cannot build a peaceful life with an unhealed heart constantly expecting war. Healing may mean prayer. It may mean forgiveness. It may mean therapy. It may mean having difficult conversations. It may mean finally admitting, what happened to me was not my fault, but healing from it is now my responsibility. You do not have to pretend that it did not hurt. You simply have to decide that the pain will not be allowed to control the rest of your life. 4. Every woman needs financial independence. Let's be honest. Love is beautiful. Family is important. But every woman should also learn how money works. Because financial dependence can make a woman stay in situations she would have left if she had options. She may remain in a toxic relationship. She may tolerate disrespect at work. She may abandon her dreams, not because she wants to, but because she has no financial safety net. And this is not about becoming obsessed with money. It is about having choices. Learn a skill, build an income, save something, invest when you can. Understand your finances. 5. Every woman needs a support system. You were never meant to do everything alone. And yet, many women have become so used to carrying everything that they no longer know how to ask for help. They say, "I'm fine," when they are not. They say, "I can handle it," when they are barely holding on. They say, "Don't worry about me," because they have spent so long being the one who worries about everybody else. But you need people. People who celebrate you without competing with you. People who correct you without destroying you. People who can sit with you in silence. People who do not only call you when they need something. Find your people. And if you do not have them yet, become intentional about building healthy relationships. You don't need a crowd. Sometimes one genuine friend who can say, "I see you. You don't have to pretend with me," is worth more than 100 people who only know the version of you that is useful to them. 6. Every woman needs boundaries. A woman can be kind and still say no. She can be loving and still walk away. She can forgive you and still refuse to give you access to her life. She can understand your pain and still refuse to let you use her as an emotional punching bag. Boundaries are not cruelty. Boundaries are instructions for how people should treat you. And sometimes you have to disappoint people in order to stop disappointing yourself. You do not have to answer every call. You do not have to explain every decision. You do not have to attend every argument. You do not have to keep giving access to people who repeatedly misuse it. A peaceful life requires protection. And sometimes protecting your peace will make you look selfish to people who benefited from your lack of boundaries. Let them misunderstand you. You are not responsible for maintaining someone else's access to you at the cost of your own well-being. 7. Every woman needs a dream that belongs to her, not her husband's dream. Not her parents' dream. Not the dream society gave her. Her dream. A dream that makes her eyes light up. A dream that reminds her that she is still alive beyond her responsibilities. Because you can love your family and still want more. You can be grateful and still desire growth. You can appreciate your life and still want to build something new. Never let anyone convince you that having a dream makes you selfish. Perhaps you are meant to write the book, start the business, learn the skill, go back to school, build the ministry, travel, create, lead, start again. And maybe your dream has been buried beneath years of responsibility. But buried does not mean dead. Sometimes the dream is still there, waiting for you to believe in yourself again. 8. Every woman needs rest. This may sound simple, but many women feel guilty for resting. They believe they have to earn rest. They think they can only relax after everything is finished. But everything is never finished. There will always be another email, another meal, another responsibility, another person who needs you. And if you wait until everyone is satisfied before you rest, you may never rest. You are not a machine. You are a human being. Your body needs rest. Your mind needs quiet. Your soul needs moments without pressure. Rest is not laziness. Rest is maintenance. Even the strongest woman needs to put something down sometimes. You cannot keep pouring from an empty vessel and then blame yourself when you have nothing left. So take the break, sleep, sit quietly, go for a walk, turn off the phone, breathe. You are allowed to rest without feeling guilty for being human. 9. Every woman needs self-discipline now. This one is not always comfortable because dreams require more than desire. You can pray for a new life, but you also have to be willing to make new decisions. You can ask God for financial increase, but you may also need to learn new skills. You can desire healing, but you may need to stop returning to the places that keep reopening the wound. You can want peace, but you may have to stop entertaining unnecessary chaos. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want right now. It is waking up and doing the work even when motivation is absent. It is saving when you want to spend everything. It is saying no to temporary pleasure because you are building a permanent future. Your future self is watching the decisions you make today. And one day, she will either thank you or ask you, why did you keep choosing what was destroying us? Choose wisely. 10. Every woman needs to believe that her life can still get better. Maybe you are 25, maybe you are 35, maybe you are 45, maybe you are 55, maybe you are looking at your life and thinking, I should be further ahead by now. But listen, your timeline is not a failure because it looks different from someone else's. You have not missed every opportunity. You are not too old to begin again. You are not too broken to heal. You are not too far behind. You are not disqualified because you made mistakes. Some of the most beautiful chapters of a woman's life begin after the chapter she thought would be her ending. The marriage ended. The business failed. The opportunity disappeared. The friendship broke. The dream was delayed. And she thought, this is the end of my story. But it wasn't. It was simply the end of a chapter. And if you are still breathing, there is still something ahead of you. So what does every woman need? She needs God. She needs to know her value. She needs healing. She needs financial wisdom. She needs genuine support. She needs boundaries. She needs a dream. She needs a dream. She needs est. She needs discipline. And above all, she needs hope. Because a woman with hope can begin again. She can rebuild after loss. She can rise after disappointment. She can walk away from what is destroying her. She can learn. She can grow. She can become. And perhaps you have spent years being everything for everyone else. But today, I want you to remember something. You are a person too. You deserve the same compassion you give to other people. You deserve the same patience you give to your children. You deserve the same grace you give to your friends. You deserve permission to grow beyond the version of yourself that was created only to survive. You are allowed to become. You are allowed to change. You are allowed to start over. You are allowed to want more. And you are allowed to thrive. Because you are not just here to make it through life. You are here to live it. And the woman you are becoming is worth fighting for.